So I have one of those credit card sized wallets, and they are really good. They work like this. I have two of these metal plates, and it's all held together with a rubber band going inside this way, and then one's going here. Just obviously this is only to hold money. So I had this for a really long time, I think 10 years now, and it's coming apart. The screws are coming loose, and here you can see that this rubber band is like there's only threads left here. So let's make a new one. So you maybe already saw what I didn't see, but so I printed these parts. Obviously, I put the notch on the wrong spot. It's supposed to come together like this, and yeah, so I'll have to reprint that, but I still want to see if this all fits together nicely. I made this rubber band. Ooh. Let's see if this works. Okay. Yeah, this seems fine. Okay, that's all good. So just to see. Later I'll glue it here, but these holes and these knobs will align it for me. Yeah, seems good. Okay, let's quickly reprint these bits. Okay, so hopefully these now work. Like this and like that. Okay, but before I push it together, I'll put some glue on. won't see the sealing, of course. But the panel itself, you can squeeze in. Okay. So it's coming here, I think it's good. Here's a squeeze out, it's fine. We'll pick it up. Stick. Yes. Okay, good. It's not perfect here. Oh, it's down here. Okay, this. So this is it. I think the glue is dry mostly. I'll let it sit there for a few hours. I think it looks really good. I don't have that cash strap anymore, but I think I'm going to be fine without it. And yeah, a few little problems, like it didn't come together perfectly. Maybe I make a version 2 someday. Let's see how this holds up. And yeah, this is the printed wallet. Thanks for watching.